agad dito sa Season 3 ng Pilipinas Got Talent.
At kung nasaan man kayo ngayon, gumigimik o hindi, may kasama o wala, salamat sa pag-join nyo sa amin at sana nag-enjoy kayo.
Depende. Pero syempre, marami pa tayong acts at contestants na ipapakita. Pero ang tanong, makuha kaya nila ang yes o ang no? Depende.
Matapos ang happy ending ng gabi ni Sir FMG sa Baguio, para sa akin naman ito. Uy, thank you. Thank you.
It's like, yeah.
Gabi ko pala. This is my night, Bakit? Night of the Living Dead ata to Gabi ng lagim ang sabihin mo.
Kami ba manggigigil, mamamangha, o agaw buhay ba?
Gawin mo na lang yan lahat.
Lahat. Mapapaganon kami lahat. Ready ka na ba? Ready na ba kayo mamaya sumalap sa ating mga judges?
Pagkahandaan.
Okay, well, thank you very much. At galingan niyo mamaya, okay?
Yes, ready.
Bye-bye.
Tres, 2, 1.
Hulog na yung damit.
Sa mundo ngayon. Unang-una, hindi ako kumakain ng niyog. Unang-una, mas nawalan ako ng ganang tumikim ng niyog.
Ako for now, no ako.
Ako dahil natuwa ako sa inyo, yes.
Thank you.
Oh, Cebu, anong gusto niyo? No pa rin. Sorry.
Thank you po.
Kinain ko nyog niya para sa wala.
Pagkudkod ng nyog, 2 million pesos. Pagbalat ng nyog, 2 million pesos. Pwedeng-pwede. Kasabay niyan ay ang pagbaha ng yes mula sa Big 3.
Ito pa the girl when shadows fill the day.
I will say yes to you.
Ako, yes.
It's a yes.
Thank you po.
Yes.
It's a yes to you.
Thank you.
Me too.
Ang sarap talagang makarinig ng matamis na oo. Wow, may ganun. So happy ka na. Di mo na ako kailangan. Wala Happy ka na Wow bro, sakit. I love you. Buti pa tong susunod nating contestant, mukhang wala talagang iwanan. Ang magkakapatid na Jefferson at Kurt from Davao del Sur.
Hi, ano name ng grupo?
Jefferson and Kurt po.
Magkapatid kayo?
Opo.
From?
From Bansalan po, Davao del Sur.
Kurt, ano nangyari sa'yo? Were you born a paraplegic or na-aksidente?
Cancer of the bone po, ma'am.
16 years old nung nag-basketball kami. And then pagka 19 years old, doon na talaga. May bukol na tumubo dito sa left leg niya. Masakit daw. 2006 po nung nalaman namin na may cancer of the bone po ang kapatid ko.
And you survived.
Stage.
So, stage ano?
Stage
Tapos inamputate.
4. Opo.
Kailan nangyari yan?
When I was 19 years
Ilan taon ka na ngayon?
Mag-25 na po.
Pero okay na.
Continuous pa rin po ang medication ko.
Pero nung inamputate, hindi naman nag-spread.
Nag-spread po sa... Kaya po nga, tinagalan lang ako ng 1 month to live ng doktor.
Oh, umabot saan na?
Lungs, liver, lahat na. Miracle po.
Miracle talaga. No, that's really true because stage 4, especially when it hits the liver already, mabilis talaga yan. And up to the lungs, the fact that you're alive, it's really a miracle.
Opo.
O sige, Jefferson and Kurt, good luck. Go.
here we are again. I guess it must be fate. We've tried it on our own, but deep inside we've known we'd be back to set things straight. I still remember when your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step I take retreats, every journey always brings me back to you. And after all the stuff besides, keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me, after all. Love is truly right. This time's truly right. It's from year to year. It changes as it goes, and on the way it grows, but it never disappears. And after all the stuff besides, keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all the stuff besides, keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me, after all. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me, after all.
Okay, Jefferson, meron kang ni-love before. What happened?
Nagdasal ako kay Lord na sana maging akin siya, pero
Ay,
nung nagkasakit ang kapatid ko,
sinabi
sabi
mo.
ko kay Lord na, Lord, kahit hindi mo na siya ibinigay, kuhain mo lang ang kapatid ko.
Si binuhay naman, bait ni God.
Thank you, Lord.
Kasi, di ba, yung katotohanan naman dyan, marami kang pwedeng maging girlfriend, pero siya lang ang kapatid mo.
I think he made the right decision, yeah?
Yeah, and buhay siya. Oo.
Buhay na buhay.
Mabait siya. Ikaw may girlfriend ka? Why not? Ang cute-cute mo. Wala.
Try ako, pero
Hi.
ewan, siguro kasi
No.
Huwag mo isipin yun. Darating at darating yun sa tamang oras mo at sa tamang oras ng Diyos.
Yes. And you both have talent, ah. Ako, it's very inspiring and yung kinuwento mo talaga, it's a miracle you're alive. God is very good. Kaya niyo yung Tagalog?
At yayakapin kita na walang hanggan. Umuus man ang ulan na walang hanggan.
Jefferson and Kurt, magiging stars kayo. Sisikat kayo talaga.
Salamat po. Salamat.
Ako naman yung boses niyo parang nai-imagine ko. Parang kung sakasakali sa bawat date ko, gusto ko nandun kayo sa background, kinakantahan niyo lang kami. Sa'yo naman bro, ako gusto ko lang magpasalamat. Kasi minsan, we take things for granted. Iniisip na natin na napakabigat na ng problema natin. Pero di natin naiisip na merong taong mas mabigat pa ang pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Yet ikaw, kahit mas mabigat ang iyong pinagdadaanan kumpara sa akin, nandito ka pa rin at nagpapasaya ng tao. Kaya mula sa akin bro, salamat sa'yo.
Let's vote. Boss.
Yeah, I think you did very well. Your blending of the voices are
Nice.
fantastic. Your guitar playing was good. It's a yes for me. Yeah.
It's definitely a yes.
Jefferson and Kurt. It's a yes. Congratulations.
They're really good.
Super good.
God bless you and many more miracles and blessings to come sa buhay niyo. Congratulations.
Nagsisigawan.
Ano nangyari? Bakit kinakabahan ng lahat?
Humanda na kayo at mag-ipon na ng lakas ng loob dahil kailangan niyo yan sa pagbabalik ng Pilipinas Got Talent.